Heather, you like that?
Yeah, I do.
How
And
much do you like
it's
that?
got a green tag.
Oh,
So
it
it's
does.
25% off.
Wow.
I love it.
Does that have earrings too?
Yeah, it has clip-on earrings. And they're kind of, they look like they're a bit of a statement
That looks
in
like
themselves.
such a vintage box.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. Even the box looks old. No problem. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Wow, look at how long it is. Oh, it's a double screen. What's that?
That's pretty. I wonder how old this is.
No.
I think it's 1 billion years old.
Yeah.
Oh, it's actually a pierced earring.
Oh,
And then it's got the little thing that flips over it.
that at first.
Isn't that cool? That's really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna take this.
Can I take it? Sold?
Yeah, sold.
All right.
Is it a Barbie or an angel, maybe? A tree topper. She kind of looks like the mother from that 70s show. What's her name? Minnie or Millie?
You may. Oh my goodness.
Look at these jeans.
True religion.
Yeah, those are beautiful. Wow. I wonder what they're selling them for. Oh,
Wow, there's.
they're $39 for the green.
This will be
tag.
about 30. Yeah.
Wow.
Look at this selection of rings.
Yeah. Does anything speak to me? There's an actual, is that like abalone? This is a stone too. Looks like lapis. Very pretty. But I feel like I got my necklace. It was meant for me. This is a cute hat. But I don't know if it matches my outfit, but it is cute.
Oh, it is.
I can tell right now though that it's not going to fit my head.
It feels like camel. Am I wrong?
Oh wow, I don't think you're wrong.
De Luc, finest quality, made in Italy.
Feels like a fur.
Sure does.
I want to tell you.
Wow.
Can it please fit my head?
Can you please?
It doesn't
Hey,
fit.
say a little. That's the story of your life, eh?
Yeah.
Getting
Seems
hooked.
to be where I live now too.
Oh, please. Heather, I love that. I love it. That is such a statement. Oh,
Oh my God. $6.
wow, $6.
That's a good deal.
Heather, do you like this? This is it go? Not quite? You gonna try it on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I like it, actually.
Yeah.
I really do. Yeah. Wow. That is beautiful. Color's pretty,
Yeah.
you know?
I mean, with a jean or something, kind of go with the patchwork look.
Yeah.
Could it be your casual fur?
Casual fur. Yeah. Yeah, Heather. I just love that, huh? Yeah. So what are we looking for today, Heather?
We're looking for curtains.
And
That's why I'm in the coat section.
I love what you're wearing. Love it.
I love what you're wearing. Cool. Really interesting choice of colors. I love them. I think I love them. Let's see if my
These are
feet
leather.
love them.
Oh my goodness, I love these. They're 8.5.
Are they really? They don't
Yeah.
reveal it.
Yeah,
Although
they are
I do
leather.
have a couple pairs.
Oh my goodness, Heather, I love those. Don't you love them? No?
Yeah, I do, but I don't know if they fit me. I know it's funny, but they don't really feel like it.
That's
I do
sad.
have a couple pairs of socks on.
Oh, Heather, I love that look. Yeah, I love the gray. It'll go with so much, eh?
They do. They actually fit. It bothers my foot.
Yeah. Turn it.
Darn it. Well, somebody else is going to love them.
Those are cute too, eh? Don't you think?
Yeah, I do. Very cute. I don't think they're my size. Yeah, it does.
70s vibe, yeah.
I do like a little elevation.
What do you got here, Heather? Wow.
I found some
That's
vintage jewelry. I don't know if that's vintage, but I think it's pretty
Oh my goodness. It's a felted piece with the...
cute. Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
It's got little jewels
What
on
else
it.
do you have?
Yeah, I'm just kind of deciding. I don't think I'm going to probably get them all. That's a wishbone. Oh, that's kind of cute.
I love that. Yeah.
I think that's kind of pretty. I love my brooches. I was going to put one on today, but sometimes I'm afraid to put them on certain things. But I shouldn't be that way. Just go for it, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, these are fun. So we didn't find any curtains yet,
No.
but we're...
Look,
Yeah, it is a cute bag.
who's getting things, you know?
Yeah.
Does it stretch much? How much could you get?
Well, those are interesting.
Are they pretty? Oh. Look at how adorable those are. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. That kind of looks like Nancy Johnson to me.
Yeah, it does.
Like they're right out of the 50s.
Yeah, they do. So much fun.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. I like these little bags.
Yeah. Are they?
Look at that one.
Can I see the label?
Montreal, Nadal.
Oh, this is old. I wonder what the material is.
Made in Italy.
Wow.
That's kind of a neat one, Dave.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm just getting it curtain rods.
Got curtain rods. It's nice not to have to buy these new.
Macaroni.
Macaroni?
It's little macaronis, I think. And maybe there's
Oh, and they can mix it in with
beads as
gold.
well,
And they're rather.
sparkles and
Oh, yeah.
then there's big pasta and the bow tie pasta and the pen or whatever
Oh,
they call it.
that's amazing.
Yeah,
It's amazing what you can do with food.
it's funny, isn't it?
Yeah. And then you can see the styrofoam balls they started with.
Yeah. It is kind of
So this
neat.
is what you can do with your pasta, guys.
Yeah, there you go.
It's hilarious.
Yeah.
Look at that.
You like that? Isn't that cute?
Cute.
Does it play music?
I don't think this one's good.
No.
Like, I remember all those ones from Hallmark we used to get.
Not bad.
Yeah. Yeah. I like his eyes.
Yeah. He's got a nice robe and of course a very nice belt.
You want the belt.
I like the outfit.
We have a village collection that we usually put up each year.
Yeah,
That's really pretty.
it is cute. I don't know if it's the same size
No,
as
it's
ours
a
though.
little smaller.
That's the thing, you have to kind of get the right size.
It's called Mr. Robert.
Yeah, Mr. Robert. It's very soft, kind of.
And it's got
Alluring.
shoulder pads. Wow.
It's got shoulder pads. Ready for my tea.
Yeah. Heather, I love that. Well, that's, you're like a queen.
I kind of like the shape.
I love it. Hi. So every time we go pick something up, we try to donate a little bit, eh?
I know, we do.
So here's,
Well, and we're clearing out right now
Yeah.
because we just have so much.
We just found this table and can't wait to show it to you. So cool. We're gonna put it in the fashion house.
What you doing, Dave?
We got our wood.
We
We're
do.
gonna frame the structural beam that we have.
Yes.
So this is gonna be so much fun. We're gonna get this done tomorrow. We're gonna show you it done. And yeah. So now we need
And the clothes are going up.
So here's the deal. Heather we need 50 feet of storage space for your hanging clothes to start.
Just
So I think we have some rods here.
yeah.
So,
This will be a start.
yeah, this will be a start.
Okay.
So Heather, is this an exciting moment in your life? You're finally going to be able to unpack all your clothes.
My dream's coming true.
We're back in this lovely place. We're looking for the curtains.
Looking, yes. Hopefully I can find some velvet.
Oh, I love velvet.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Yeah.
I think there's 3 of these. I was thinking about dyeing them. And then you see down here, there's this little kind of fringe.
Well, I love the idea of dyeing it.
You know?
Yeah.
And I think they're huge for our window, big window.
Oh, I like it, Heather. They're a fun little magazine.
Yeah.
This is
I
bark
don't
cloth?
know if it will. Yeah, it looks like it's bark cloth. The feel of it too.
Yeah.
And it says hand printed.
This is awesome.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah. How big is it? Wow. Jeez, Heather, that would go right over the window. Yeah, that's pretty.
You like it?
Yeah.
I'm just wondering if it would be good for the stand-up lamp with the glass in the middle.
Oh, I think so. Yeah. Yeah.
Because that's the one we're missing a shade.
Yeah, it's quite unique.
It's hard, eh? When you don't know what the top of it is. You
Yeah.
almost have to know the hookup, right?
Yeah.
But it looks like it would just sit on
No,
top,
that's
so
right. Yeah. We could make it work.
That was quite pretty.
It is. Good find. These are amazing, Heather.
They don't fit you.
And they don't fit you.
They don't fit me.
It's so sad.
No, look at the brand on the inside.
Oh, it's made in England for Millers. But these are unbelievable.
I know.
I love
This is what you
them.
need
Oh,
in your style up, don't you?
yes.
All the-
Yeah. I love them.
Okay.
Somebody's going to be lucky.
Somebody's gonna be lucky. These are babies.
Is there anything else that's here? Oh, those are interesting. Yeah.
Streetwear Society. I don't think they're my size, so they look pretty small at 7s. They're kind of big.
Oh, I do love the length of them, though. Yeah. They're too big, eh?
Well, I think they're the bagginess at the bottom. I
Yeah.
mean, I can't really see them, but
Love them.
they're cool.
Wow. Look what we just found.
Oh, that's one. Wow.
It's 28. It'd be like it's discounts $20. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. They're 7.5 though.
Oh,
no.
you're kidding. Oh, that Dave? They're 7.
You can try them on.
So it's weird.
So
it's
it is. It's actually not bad.
No, it's just a crosswise.
I love the height.
Yeah, I do too. I do too. I love that
Wow.
look. Huh.
What are you gonna do?
Should I try wear them around?
Yeah, I would. Yeah, put the other one on and see what happens. Oh, Heather, I really do like those.
I do too.
I'm really surprised. Are you surprised?
Yeah, I am. I am. I'm gonna walk around with them and see how they are.
How are they feeling? Pretty good?
I do feel pretty good.
This is kind of surprising, eh, with sizes? Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
you brought your horseshoes, so.
Yeah.
Oh, I do like that. Yeah, let me see it. I think that's beautiful, eh?
I do. I think it's quite pretty. What do you think?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
It's a lot of bling.
Yeah.
Of course. Curious what you think of this.
This is sick.
This is leather. I don't know if it's gonna fit. It's so different.
It's a different, yeah, kind of a. It's got like a ruching in the sleeves and at the neck. Wow. Dude, I do like that. Yeah, I think you could. Does it feel like it works?
It's actually a men's and it's a large.
Okay. It's really nice.
Well, it's just so different. But it'd be fun to style up, eh?
Yeah.
And I loved this leather. Yeah. So it's going to have a longer sleeve come out of here.
Yeah.
And then what I was thinking about doing is really accentuating something that's baggy on the bottom. Really bringing out the leg.
The small on top and the
actually
big on
maybe
bottom,
having
yeah.
this, like loosen up on here. Something very light, tight up here. Maybe some jewelry.
Oh, yeah.
But, yeah.
No, I think so, Dave. I think that's a good one.
Yeah.
Look at this place. This is my dream come true. Look at the light in here. Wow. It's so exciting to be at this point. It's kind of a rainy day, but it's still quite light in here, considering it's very bright. And there's the hole in the wall going through to my closet. Soon to be. Is it bright enough?
Yeah.
Even on a gray day, this is so bright. We broke on through to the other side.
Oh, it's so you can't see in there. There's just a pile of
No.
No. You know, it's funny. Right in here, we opened this up, and this unit was right here.
Yeah.
And this
is
is
the soaping that I
yeah.
used a lot of this for soaping.
It's amazing. So you're going to show. One day we'll show how you make soap. This is so exciting.
It is.
Yeah, all
it's
these.
So exciting. And we've just, you kind of did this yesterday when Matt, our daughter and I were gone. We went on a little girls' day trip.
Yeah.
So when we came back, this was all opened, and it was just, oh, it's so wonderful, so exciting. And I just sat in here last night.
He got nervous coming in here when I opened it up.
Probably the smells too.
Yeah.
He's not used to it.
No.
Yeah, look at all the space you're gonna have to run around.
Yeah. So we got our flooring here, and we're going to prime today, and then we're going to paint tomorrow, and then we're going to do a mural over this whole thing. Joys of laying engineered hardwood flooring.
Look at how beautiful it looks. I know. This is like a total workout.
Yeah. But you know what? It's such a reward, eh?
Yeah.
To get this in. And things are just going along. Hey?
It looks beautiful. It's hard to believe.
Yeah.
We have it sectioned off so our little animals don't get it.
Yeah.
Go through the glue.
Yeah, it's quite a mess. The one thing you have to do is weight it all down after you get the glue on, but
yeah.
I just love this. I love the way it's coming along, and really anyone can do this. It's just amazing.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
And we have our chandelier.
Oh, I love that. You can see it. We're going to frame that beam in up on top with some wood, and looking forward to kind of doing the little details.
It looks like a storage room right now.
Yeah, yeah. We're about to move things around.
But yeah, the next time you see it, it's going to look quite a bit different.
Yeah.